Hi there, I'm Deanne and I scour Amazon daily as part of their influencer program so I can do really cool product reviews and demos on the neat things I find. Well, this video is going to be 10 things under $10 that I truly love and I think you're going to love them too. They also make really good stocking stuffers for the holidays or just easy gifts to give people. Okay, number one, the first one, it's this really weird car gel cleaning. It looks like a blob. Okay, but what it does is it takes all the nooks and crannies in your car and it just picks up all that gross dirt and sand that you can never get to. This stuff's incredible. You can keep reusing it again and again and again, and it makes a really unique gift, but it's also just easy to give and great to have for yourself as well. You can use it on electronics too. Score. Okay, next we have a kitchen item that I love. This is my favorite frother. I will use this almost every single day. It's just a click of a button, turns it on, uses a battery, so simple. I use this for my chai tea lattes, for my hot water lemon with collagen powder, basically protein powders, anything and everything, hot chocolate, coffee, you name it. Everyone loves a kitchen frother and this one's incredible, under 10 bucks too, which rocks. All right, next up we have a hat organizer. I have a lot of baseball hats. I love trucker hats. So this video shows how it works and it just keeps my hats way, way, way more organized. So I love that. Okay, then we have my favorite mascara for under $10. This is called Lash Princess. It's got like a really nice shape to basically really nice, like rubberized right there. So it's like good grip on it. And then it just works really well. I can't believe how inexpensive this is because it actually is one of my favorite mascaras. So it just applies like any other mascara, but it does give you that fake eyelash effect. And especially if you do multiple coats with it. So wonderful mascara for a really wonderful price. That one's called Lash Princess. All right, another beauty product I love. This is an eye stick and it's so cute. It's a little polar bear. It's Icelandic waters in there and you just put it under your eye. And what it does is it like instantly cools that area. It feels so good. So it's a little hydrating eye stick. Feels amazing. Smells really good too. So super cute little gift. I love this guy. I use it all the time. Another beauty product in my arsenal that I recommend to everyone is a jade roller and the gua sha. These come together in a kit under 10 bucks and it's really easy to like roll out your face with this. It feels nice and cool. And then you have that little side for like under eyes. And you just do like that, probably like 5 minutes a day. That's all you need. You can pop it in the refrigerator too if you want to keep it extra cool. And then this, you kind of do a thing called like facial scraping. And just do that like all over your face. You can even use that part as like a pressure part. It's awesome. So awesome gift. These are great. I keep them on my desk. And then let's talk about nails. So I discovered this brand, ILNP. This is the mega color. Look at that rainbow iridescent. It's so pretty. This nail polish lasts over a week, if not 2 weeks, or even more, depending on how rough you are with your hands. It's my favorite nail polish. And after you do 2 to 3 coats, it truly does look like this bottle. It's so pretty. So that one's under 10 bucks. That one's coming in at $10. At $10. Okay, we have my favorite new lip gloss. This is by Haus Labs, which is Lady Gaga's company. This color is called Attitude, Le Riot Attitude. This is what it looks like when it comes out. It's got a little bit of gold in there, actually. See that gold? So pretty. Here it is on. So right now it's under $10 on Amazon. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. It does last a long time. The first time I put it on, I did feel like it felt a little sticky, but now I'm totally used to it. So just know when you first get it, it might feel a little bit sticky, but it's awesome. Beautiful lip gloss. Love, love, love it. Okay, next we have the hair chalk for little kids or adults, really. Here's a video of that. My little girls love this. You just like comb it into your hair and then it washes right out, but you can make like really pretty mermaid and rainbow unicorn hair. It's a lot of fun and they're really easy to use. Like my 3-year-old can do it to her own hair. It's awesome. And last but not least, we have, oh, the last one is for for kids as well. It's an LCD tablet. So these are great for like doodling and drawing. We keep them in our car. We keep them in our house. My girls love these. They're just a great way to draw. No mess. They're awesome. And they're under $10. Score. All right. I hope you like that list of 10 under 10. Please hit the subscribe button and follow, and I will see you guys on the next video. Ooh, one more thing. I also put links to every single product in the description. They're affiliate links, so that means I will earn commission, but you're going to get these awesome prices. So check it out. Thank you guys for subscribing. You're the best.